Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different Dollar Tree home organization that will change your life. So in the 3 areas I decided to go for is areas that I desperately need organization in. So I want to organize my earrings and jewelry, my food containers, and I also want to organize underneath my kitchen sink because look, all 3 of those areas are a mess. Before we can organize anything, we need to go shopping. So come along with me and we're gonna go shopping at the Dollar Tree for some stuff that we need. Hey guys, we are on our way to the Dollar Tree to see if we can find some storage. I don't know what's up with my camera, but like the white balance with the sun is not working. So sorry if I'm really bright. But anyways, we're on our way to do that and I'll check back in with you when I get there. The storage container section in Dollar Tree is freaking amazing. They have so much stuff from all different containers that you think you would need, but my personal favorite are the acrylic ones because they look so nice. And also, don't sleep on the craft section because I found these containers perfect for my small earrings. And here's just some other containers that I found that I thought would be good for the lids of my food containers. And of course, this has nothing to do with the video, but I had to stop past the lash section. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video review on these Dollar Tree cluster lashes because they look bomb. Hey guys, I know I look a little bit rough, but please excuse me. I'm just trying to get like behind the scenes content on this project, but I just wanted to show you guys what my jewelry box situation looks like. We wanted to do a couple Dollar Tree like DIY things, and I just want to show y'all why I so badly need this jewelry organization, because currently I'm using a bin like this. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. This is the bin that I'm using to literally, currently, as you can see, all of these earrings and everything that I have inside of here. This is just not it. It's just not working. I need to organize this very bad. I even have something that's not jewelry. I have candy coins and Leah's stuff, and it just needs to be better organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and create the project, and I'm just gonna do like a time lapse to show you guys how I do it. So here's the idea. I'm going to be using this cupcake container to store all of my earrings and like bracelets and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you each individual organizational thing I have in here. Do you guys remember in the beginning of the video when I showed you guys these in the store? You can find these in the craft section, and I feel like they're perfect for your small earrings. I love me some acrylic bins, and if you can get them for $1.25, like that's a steal. So definitely pick these up for some of your more chunkier earrings or even your bracelets. In order for this to not look like it's supposed to store cupcakes, I'm going to take this sticky contact paper and apply it to the bottom so you can't see like the cupcake holder part, and it just gives a more clean and finished look. I'm gonna start by just dumping all my jewelry out on this white towel, and it's good to use something white to do it on so that way you can see all the little tiny earrings and stuff, because at first I did on the floor and I couldn't find none of the earrings. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just go ahead and sort through this and then show you guys how it looks once I have organized it all. I have organized everything, and it's just going to make it easier for me to put it in these storage containers. So like I said, small earrings go into this storage box because it's just easier to keep track of them. Then I separated the gold, the silver, and then my colored jewelry. So here's how you package it. You put the acrylic bins in first, and then you can go ahead and put the circle containers that have the small earrings on top. Cover it with the lid, and then boom, you have this cute little compact storage for your jewelry. Basically, we're about to get started on this organization, and I'm not looking forward to it because it's a mess. And I'm gonna show y'all the raw truth on how it really looks in here. Like, it looked bad, so that's why we needed to go ahead and organize this. And I'm like, why not make a video about it? I think I'm gonna start with the cleaning supplies first, and then I'm gonna have to clean like the surface of the cabinets, because when I'm washing dishes, water can fall and somehow get into the cabinets and cause water down there, which then causes rust because there's some metal cans and stuff. So I'm gonna have to scrub that up first, and then I'm gonna lay down a protective like surface thing so that way I can protect the cabinets. And let's go ahead and do that first. There was just so much freaking crap under here. I just had to take everything out and put it on like this trash bag and clean the surface the best that I could. I just sprayed it down with some awesome cleaner and tried to scrub up that rust and everything the best that I could before putting down the contact paper as a protective shield. And I was surprised because most of the stuff came up pretty easily, so I was very happy about that. And now I'm going to start cutting the contact paper. First, I measured it in the cabinet and put a line on it, and then I'm just going to cut along that line and lay it down. It's pretty easy. I would suggest using like a credit card or something to smooth out any air bubbles, but it goes down pretty easily. So for the organization, I decided to go with these cake containers because I wanted to make some large Lazy Susans. So I'm making 4 Lazy Susans, which require 8 of these storage containers. We're going to use some Gorilla Glue to glue the top of the container and flip it upside down and glue it onto the base. So you're gonna pour marbles into it after it dries, and then put the second cake container on top of the marbles. To cover up the marbles, I'm going to take the base from the second cake container and cut out a circle small enough to fit inside, just to camouflage the marbles so you don't see it, for a more cleaner and finished look. And they just spin so well. I'm so happy with how these turned out. And now we are ready to get back into business. I'm going to start organizing and putting all this stuff in my new Lazy Susans. And it just made the underneath of my sink just look so much better, so much clean and organized, and I'm able to see everything. I really can't believe that it went from looking how it looked to looking how it looks now. It looks so good, and I'm so happy. Okay, so I have started to actually organize the containers, and who knew that all these containers that I have can fit underneath this cabinet? It's actually like crazy. And just seeing how much plastic containers I have, I definitely want to see if it's focused on me. I definitely want to start transitioning over to all glass, but until then we're going to organize this plastic. I did start to transition to glass because I have a couple of very good like glass Tupperwares or glass food containers, but my goal is to have them all glass eventually. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish organizing this. This has been a lot of work, but I'm happy with how things are turning out. I'm gonna start to remove the little stickers off of here because I don't know, I just don't want them on there. But first I want to see which ones I'm actually gonna use, because I kind of just got an idea of what I needed to use, but I don't know if I'm gonna be using all those containers. And I didn't even know that these are like put these in your fridge for your soda cans, which is kind of neat. I don't really drink soda, but I could put something in here. But I'm thinking about actually using these for the lids, so we'll see. But yeah, if you guys would like to see like a fridge makeover, I don't know if I could get everything from the Dollar Tree, because I would need like certain organizational things for the fridge. But the Dollar Tree does have some stuff you can use for your fridge, like these containers. So yeah, if you would like to see that video, like this one, and also leave me a comment saying that you would like to see a refrigerator organization. But let's go ahead and get to seeing how I'm going to organize this cabinet. So I was just kind of playing around with the layout until I finally came up with the one that I wanted. This is kind of like what I ended up with, but I ended up moving like the dish rack to the front because it was easier for me to get the lids that way. But this is basically how I ended up using all the containers that I got. And I feel like it turned out so nice. I love how the dish rack things I use in the front were good for the lids, and then the ones on top were good for like the smaller lids. But yeah, I really like how everything turned out. And again, I just want to show y'all the raw, honest truth. It went from looking like this, a hot mess, to looking so organized and so clean. And now I can actually find my bins when I need them. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you got some inspo, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know of other videos you would like to see from me. For example, we talked about the refrigeration organization. I would love to do that, and I just want to organize my life, okay? I want to organize everything a part of my life, and why not record it? Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!